welcome to Robotics for You. This is me Nandan. So today we are going to see how to electrolyze water. Electrolyzing of water is nothing but of separating water into hydrogen and oxygen. You already know that water is the mixture of hydrogen and oxygen, which chemical formula is H2O, that is hydrogen
Materials
and
required
oxygen. For making this project are 9-volt battery, connecting wire connected with two normal wires, two pencils sharpened at both the ends, a glass with some water. Make sure the water is not distilled water and it is the
Take
normal
the wires
tap
which
water.
are connected to the connecting wire and we can connect to the pencil. Take one pencil and connect the one wire to the one end of the pencil. So here we have used graphite. Here in this pencil it is graphite. This graphite is a good conductor of electricity, so it will conduct electricity. After connecting to one pencil, connect the other wire to other pencil to one end, and you will have two free ends here. Now take the glass full of water and insert the pencil in it. After inserting, take the battery and connect to the connecting wire.
Project is ready. So you can see some bubbles coming in the pencil. These bubbles are nothing but hydrogen and oxygen. The pencil which is connected to positive terminal will get hydrogen bubbles, and pencil which is connected to negative terminal gets oxygen bubbles. So this will be useful project for school activities and some experimental competitions, and I ensure that there will be no shock during this experiment as 9-volt battery is used. Thanks for watching. Like, comment and subscribe.